Have you ever wondered where your favorite tequila comes from? The answer lies in the heart of a plant known as agave, a spiky, rosette-shaped succulent native to hot and arid regions, primarily Mexico. With a family of over 200 species, this plant is not only known for its striking appearance, but also for its versatility and resilience. Let's dive into the many uses of the agave plant. It's most famous for its role in the production of tequila and mezcal. These spirits are made from the sap of specific agave species, like the blue Weber. Remarkably, it takes between 8 to 10 years for an agave plant to mature before it's harvested for this purpose. But the agave's usefulness doesn't stop at spirits. It's also a source of a natural alternative to sugar known as agave syrup or nectar. With a lower glycemic index compared to traditional sweeteners, it's a popular choice for health-conscious individuals. Furthermore, agave leaves provide fibers such as sisal and henequen used in making rope, rugs, and textiles. And let's not forget its aesthetic appeal as an ornamental plant, adding a striking visual element to drought-tolerant gardens with minimal care. The agave plant isn't just practical, it's also environmentally friendly. It thrives in poor soil with little water, reducing soil erosion in dry climates. Plus, it requires minimal pesticides or fertilizers, making it a sustainable choice for your garden. Interested in growing agave at home? Start by choosing the right species. Blue agave is ideal for large outdoor spaces, and agave attenuata is perfect for smaller indoor or patio areas. These plants need full sun and well-drained, sandy soil. When it comes to maintenance, water sparingly and remove pups or offshoots for propagation. Here's a fun fact about agave. Some species bloom only once in their lifetime, producing a tall flower stalk before dying. This process, known as monocarpic flowering, can take decades to occur. In conclusion, the agave plant offers a wide range of practical uses and environmental benefits. Whether you enjoy a glass of tequila, prefer natural sweeteners, or have a passion for sustainable gardening, the agave plant plays a significant role in our daily life. So, the next time you sip on your tequila, take a moment to appreciate the remarkable plant from which it originates.